Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your sunglasses fit tighter easily. And this will be a super easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have a pair of sunglasses and you want to make them fit a little bit tighter, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, okay? It's very, very simple, and if you want them to fit more tightly, this is the video for you. There are a couple of different ways that you can do this, but this is like a couple of different methods. This is like the easiest, fastest, and just really, really effective method. It's a great method. It's easy, it's fast, and it's really, really effective. Okay, I've used this method for my glasses, and it will help with sunglasses as well. So I'm gonna show you what it involves. Really, really easy to do. Okay, so basically, if your sunglasses are just a touch too loose, there are many things that you can do, but one thing you can do is just get these arms right here, or the sides, and you can get a little something on them to just, make them a little bit thicker. What is the easiest thing that you can put on them? An elastic band. So you can use any elastic band. I just got some hair ties, like hair tie elastic bands. From I have 4 kids. I have a son and 3 daughters. My son has short hair, but my 3 daughters have longer hair. So we have lots of hair ties everywhere. So you can use anything, but I think I just lost one. I think it just sprung out. I don't know where it went. Anyways, not a big deal. I have another one over here. But what you could do is get the hair tie or the elastic band, and you could take and you can wrap it around the arm. Okay, and you're gonna want to wrap it around an area that makes contact with your head. So if I have these sunglasses over here, I would see that this part right here is gonna be the part that makes contact with my head, right sort of at the back of the arm, at the end of the arm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the elastic band and I'm gonna put it on the arm, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap it a few times. And this is going to serve a couple purposes. So right now we've wrapped it a few times. It is on there. So what's going to happen is when I put the sunglasses on, that elastic band is now making contact with my hand. With my head. It's not making contact with my hand. Band, head, put them together. I think I said hand. Head, band. Head and band together, hand. Anyways, that was just a word mistake, but it's all good. Not a big deal. So anyways, wrong body part. Not making contact with my hand. It is making contact with my head. So when I put the sunglasses on, they're going to just be, a little bit tighter because it's going to be a little bit of extra tightness over there because of the extra space taken up by the elastic band. Now, when I did this, I actually had a much thicker elastic band. I had a thicker hair tie, like one of those I don't know if it's a nylon hair tie. Those ones that come in different colors? One of those hair ties. I've also done it with elastic bands that are like full-blown bigger elastic bands. So you end up getting a longer, thicker portion where it's wrapped. That works much better. But it depends on how much extra tightness you need. If you only need a little bit of extra tightness, you can do this. And obviously you're going to do it on both of the arms. Like I said, I had 2 of these. I have more on the passenger seat, to be honest with you. But I had put 2 of them to the side to use for this video. And I lost one. So, regularly, if you want to do this, you would do one over here and then a second one over here to even it out. And that would be a great method. But yeah, this is just one option. It seems to work really well. I've shown you how to do it in a very, very simple way, but you can obviously take it to the next level, which is, doing both of the arms and choosing your elastic band that you're going to use or your hair tie band that you're going to use wisely. You might want to choose a bigger one. You might want to choose a thicker one. It's up to you. But this can work really, really well. In addition to making them a little bit tighter and fit a little bit tighter, they also will prevent the slippage because they're going to give you better grip on your head. Especially if you're bald like me, that elastic band is going to give you better grip so that they don't slide off as easily. But I think even if you had hair, it would be the same thing. It would just give you a little bit better grip with regards to the sunglasses staying on your head. So yeah, that's how to make them fit a little bit more tightly. And also as a bonus, it gives you a little bit of extra grip. I've shown you how to do it with one. Obviously, you should probably do it with both sides though to make it even. And choose your elastic band or your hair tie band wisely. And yeah, I actually see the other hair tie band down there, but it's not a big deal. I'm not going to go get it now. I'll get it after. Really not a big deal at all. It's just a hair tie band. Like I said, we have, I don't know, thousands maybe? I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll get it after. But sorry about that. That's better. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.